Hello everybody, this is Young Chief. How are you doing today and are you enjoying or spending your lockdown? Already you might have heard that Buhari have extended the lockdown. So are you making use of it? Are you learning something on YouTube, a new skill or something handy? So I'm majorly targeting the students here. I want to teach you how you can make money on the internet without investing a penny, kobo, without anybody asking you for anything. At least during this lockdown, you can use it to support yourself. And the money is not big, but it's enough to survive. So even while after the lockdown, while in school, when you go back to school, then you can also continue if you are willing to support yourself or support your family to reduce the stress from your parents. So, but when most Nigerians hear of making money on the internet for free without investing a penny, majority of them, or should I say 85% of Nigerians, believes everything is scam, and that include our parents. But the world has advanced so much that during this corona, you've been hearing the government saying work from home, work from home. Then you ask yourself, those without a job, how do you work from home? That's another thing. So, but let me make it known to you, like, they are very on this Facebook like this, you can actually get information on how you can earn money for free. Like I said, this information I'm giving it for free because I got it for free also. So let me just type um a group. I've already typed it there, but let me just type it again. Airdrop. As you can see on my screen here, there's 16,000 members, 13,000 members, 24,000 members. Then if you scroll down, I mean so many of them because I like getting information. And you can see clearly here, I think I posted some airdrop and I wanted to buy something, a token from people here online, and that's because we did an airdrop which paid out and people were selling, so I wanted to buy and keep and just talk some more, and if the prices increases then I sell. And mind you, all this airdrop are they are like different companies. Let me use a physical company for example, like as assuming a new um paste that's all this close up McLean, a new company like that is being established here in Nigeria and they want to promote their products. So what they do, they invite people, then they invite people, give them flyers and their products, then go to marketplaces and different areas where there are much crowd, then try to advertise to them and even give them for free for testing, or some people get to test them to see how effective that particular product is. So that's what this airdrops online means. Like let me just open some of this group. That's what it means. Like a company is being open online, they have a project which they want to push out to the world, so now for the projects to move forward, they need people on it to register. So, and mind you, after registering, not all the projects pay though, but the ones you get to see that pays, like you're going to get something good from it. As you can see, these are people, these are whites, I think this is Indian, posting on this group, and different people. They are still Nigerians here. So I think this is Timothy Shehu is a Nigerian. Yeah, not think he is. And all, if you just go through all this group, just click on airdrop or crypto airdrop, you get to see a lot of people there. So they need more people to register on it and get so that the projects will spread all around the globe. So let me just try type crypto airdrop because every airdrop involves cryptocurrency because they pay in crypto coin. Crypto airdrop. You can see in money online, in money crypto money. I'm a member of the group, and airdrop bouncing and news and trading crypto, airdrop and crypto bouncing, stuff like that. So let me just click on this group here so that you see all the groups okay, these ones are the ones I haven't joined. Okay, so when you get to join all these groups, then you perform all the tasks that have been asked there. If you get to perform the task that will be asked there, you do it very well, and probably you even decide to invite your friends. And by the time they launch officially, which you can say, then you can, when you say, you can convert it to naira. Then most people, I think, I, some few persons I've invited in the past, they keep asking, how do I convert? How do I convert? Like, converting is not a problem. It's just for you to know someone legit that will not scam me of your money. And you can see this one, the these are all these whites they posted. That comes, you can see all the like coins bits they're giving 30,000. I think that's about $300. Like I mean, I joined, according to them, like 30,000 CNG token worth $300. Big airdrop. So you can actually do this from the comfort of your house, anywhere you are, on your phone, your mobile phone, or your laptop. You can do this, and you earn little thing from it. So if you know you can do something like this and you want to be earning money for free on the internet without investing a penny, like I said, I'm not asking you for money, and nobody's going to ask you for money. You get, rather you are coming to learn, get knowledge for free, and if you are serious, you earn from the knowledge you get when you put it into use. So alright, so I'm going to post this video on different Facebook group, and if I get a very good response from it, I'll create a WhatsApp group and add everyone, then do all round tutorial, a general tutorial for everyone. Yeah, thank you very much for your time. Bye.